Ayan, nandun na pala si Joe. Ang bilis niya. Sabi niya kanina, nasa greenhouse daw siya. Wow, so fast!
I haven't got the key.
Oh,
I brought you that big blue bucket.
oh. What about my nectarine? Did you pick me one?
No, because I haven't got the key. Oh, it wasn't in the greenhouse. I come back, I was halfway there.
Ah. Ayan.
Oh, I thought you meant a nectarine from the house.
No. From the tree. So, ayan, mag-harvest kami. Potato. I'm going to harvest the potatoes.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
Here's the key.
turn it, those things over there, whatever they are.
Here's the key. Mayroon ng mga suba, here, Joe.
Yeah. Oh, thanks.
Mayroong,
Oh, something ate my,
what?
I know, yeah, Swiss chard.
Oh, mayroong ano guys. Marami kasing ano, langgam. There's a lot of ants, yeah?
Yeah.
A lot of ants.
Yeah, so many ants by the potatoes.
Kaya ayan, mag-harvest ako ng potatoes. Tingnan natin, maraming suba, ay, langgam. Subay tawag sa amin yan. Ayan. Can you get the bucket please?
That's fine.
Ayan guys. Buti na lang wala ito. Ito, broccoli.
That's the
Ay, cauliflower pala. Subay, yes, subay.
Oh, big one there, bud.
Yeah.
You got a big one.
Ayan. This one is better than the other, yeah?
Yeah.
Kasi yung iba may ano sila ba? Balantik. Ayan.
I think next time put more compost
Yeah.
and then get more potatoes. Because it didn't go down into the topsoil, right?
No.
Only in the compost.
Ayan, wala na. Yun lang. Where's the other?
Oh, there's some red ones, small ones.
Where?
There.
Oh, yeah?
Are they potatoes?
No, the garlic.
Oh, take those anyway because they're dead. The plant's dead.
Ayan.
Just that small.
So, ayan, nalaki na ng mga sibuyas, oh. Ayan, oh, sibuyas.
I want to harvest all these and then replant that area.
Okay. This one, Han, the one you, the one you're taking, this, can you keep that because that's the seeds of a radish, the one you're taking in the house.
Well, look at let's go crazy. The
Yeah.
parsley.
Parsley. Oh no, this one is no good anymore.
Yeah, harvest now.
Ayan, hindi na maganda,
French
hindi
beans as
maganda.
well, yellow bun.
Yeah. Ayan, harvest muna natin to.
So what do you want? You don't need anything, do you?
Yeah, the basket.
No, just use that bucket.
Oh, okay. Ayan. So I picked them everything, yeah?
Yeah. I'll take these.
Yeah. Hindi maganda guys kasi naano sila, maraming insects na kumakain. Ayan, hindi maganda yung broad beans namin. First time. Ah yeah, those ones are good.
Turno.
Yeah. Ayan. So, the potatoes. Ayan, oh, yung onion. I think the onion is ready.
Yeah. They usually, when the leaves die, they're ready.
Yeah.
They need now, I think. Especially those massive ones at the
Ayan.
end.
Onion.
Oh, we need that, yeah?
Yeah, no, you can hang up. Ayan, maraming malalaki doon.
The massive ones behind the net valve.
Yeah, I know. Just leave that one in there. This one we clear out. Ayan.
If I pick all these, we can eat them, yeah?
Yeah.
All.
Let me see. See, there's a lot of you water them, they go bigger, yeah.
Yeah.
We can
Well, they
have,
should be big. They've been there a long time.
have them tomorrow. Salad. I think some of them are small. Don't
Yeah,
pick the
because they're
small.
too close together, I think. That's why they don't
Yeah.
really
So I'm continue
do.
doing.
As long as they're about the size of the golden ball.
I'm harvesting this one, yeah.
Yeah.
Oi, oh yeah, it's big one, but
Moldy.
no, ayan oh, ang daming ano, oh.
What's the ant?
Ants. Kaya, ay, ang lalaki. It's big, the ants. Are they bite?
Yeah.
Oh, sayang. Where is my shovel?
Oh, it's there.
Wow.
It must be underneath all
Ah,
that
yeah, I
stuff.
got it.
My shovel.
Ayan, kasayang. Lalaki sana, oh. Kaya nga lang kinain sila ng langgam. So many ants. The big ones, yeah?
Yeah.
Dito pa. Ayan, dito. Ayan.
Some of them are flying out.
Yeah. I think, is that a termite? Ayan, laki. Ang ganda.
Ants don't eat potatoes, do they?
I don't know why they're in the potatoes.
I think they only eat leaves.
Ayan. Ayan guys, oh. Maganda yung pula kasi ano sila makinis. Ito hindi. Kasi nga may ano sila, kinain sila ng
Standing on an ant.
maraming ano dito. Aw, aw, aw. Yan, nangangagat pala tong ano to. Nangangagat sila. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Sayang.
You eat the leaves, turnip leaves. Or should I just chuck them?
No, chuck it because they're hairy.
Harry?
Hairy. Ayan. 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 Laki. Ayan. Nasa taas. Ilalim. Malalaki. Ayan. Last na lang. Last. Ayan. Marami din kaya nga lang sayang.
Oh, you pick all the potatoes.
Yeah, otherwise the ants eat them.
So I'll plant
Yeah.
some more broccoli there.
Can you plant some more salad
Yeah,
leaves?
salad and broccoli.
Yeah, ayan oh. Wala na. So that's the last one. Ganda ng patatas. Yan, ubos na. Talagang wala na. Yan, that's it. Ayan yung patatas, guys. Aray ko. Ayan. Ito yung mga turnips. Ayan. Sayang, oh, may mga butas-butas na ng ano. Ito, oh, laki, oh. Lulutuin ko to mamaya. Ayan, kinakain na ng kinain sila ng tawag nito, langgam. Ito, onion, garlic pala, garlic. Ayan. Marami din, siguro mga 5 kilo ito o 6 kilos or more. Ayan. Ayan, bukas na lang to, guys. Ayan, marami na silang bunga dun pa sa loob. Ayan. Pinakain na nga na yung iba. Ayan, oh.
I think you can eat these mushrooms.
Which one? Hang on. Ayan. I have look. Lalaki na yung mais. Where?
There.
Mushroom.
Yeah.
Shroom. No,
Where's
cannot.
this?
No. Ayan. So, harvest. Dami ng kamatis. Maraming kamatis. Ayan, malaki. Malalaki dyan. So, bukas mag-harvest ako.
Oh, good.
Ayan. So you can how you call this one? You can save the one with the how you call this one? The one with the ready with seeds.
Oh, these ones, the pods.
Yeah. And then you can plant it again. The one you take, the one in the house.
Yeah, I pull them out now.
No, later when it's really
Oh, I want the space to plant.
the good thing to pick up, isn't it?
Yeah.
The good time.
I don't know why the plant's so big, but the thingamabobs are small, the radish.
Yeah. And this one as well. So no need to buy any more seeds.
Okay.
So yeah. Ayan, guys. Someone been here eating this, or you just cut them off?
What is it? Tomato?
No. Oh no. They eat your chives.
No, I cut the chives.
How much? They eat them all. Look. No more left. See?
Oh no, I didn't cut all those.
And this one. Can you take back that? The blue one. They will really eat most of it, Joe. Can you put it back
There it goes.
tonight, yeah? Because
Yeah.
I'm sure they're gonna come in and eat.
I think it's rabbit.
Yeah. I'm gonna harvest them tomorrow.
What about some of this?
What is that?
Dill and coriander.
That's not coriander. That's dill.
Dill?
I don't know
Yes,
what.
coriander, look.
Is it coriander?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Just leave. And this one. What's this one?
No. Dill, I think.
No, dill is that.
Maybe chamomile.
Is it? So leave
I
that.
didn't plant any chamomile though.
No. So I'm scared. What's that one then? Ayan. So tomorrow we eat the falafel for lunch. No, on Thursday. So when's tomorrow we're going to pick this?
What is it?
The lettuce.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, we still
I
have a lot.
Yeah, I picked already yesterday, or was it yesterday or the day before? Sunday.
Okay, I'm going now.
Uh-oh.
You take the stuff, yeah?
Can you leave the door open?
Yeah. See ya.
See you in a bit.
Ayan guys, ang kamay ko. Uwian time na.